welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. So today I'm back for a new video, which is a video I know that this video have been done. This video have been done so many times, but I wanted to share it with you. So it's about things that everyone like, then I don't. So it's called Unpopular Opinion, I guess. I want to tell you what are my unpopular opinions. So if you're curious to know what a French girl like me doesn't like, let's go! So first is kind of two things at the same time, is a series. So I tried some of them, like some episodes, but not that much, maybe one or two, and I just don't understand why people like it. It's Black Mirror and Game of Thrones. What the point? I don't get it. I don't understand. I just don't like it, and I tried. Black Mirror, there's like no sense for me. I was watching it with my sister, and after 3 episodes we were like, no, yeah, we stop. We go back again with another series. I don't know. So yeah. So now it's about food. I don't like watermelon. I know, I'm sorry. Everybody like this so much, and they're like, I know when I say, oh, I don't like watermelon, people are like, really? You don't like it? But it's just water. There is no bit of sugar in it, no pleasure for me to have that. I mean, if I'm really hot, if there is just this to eat or to have a bit of water, I will eat some piece of it, but I don't like it. So I have my thing on my phone just to remember myself. So I know that I'm going to be killed in the comments, but I don't like coffee and tea. Both of them, I know. But this is the thing, like coffee I tried and I just don't like the texture and the taste. No, I'm not a coffee girl. But at least people think, oh, you don't like coffee, so maybe tea. But I don't. It's a crazy one. Tea for me is just water and plant. I don't know if that's the right word. Plants? Vegetables? I don't like it. I need a bit of sugar. This is not like that. This is just water and no, I don't like it at all. I tried because I really love red fruit. I tried a tea with red fruit and it was not good. I'm sorry. I don't like leopard pattern. A lot of girls like this has a top or a dress or trousers, even shoes. I don't like it. This is just like, I don't know. It makes me feel like it's not that beautiful. Anyway, that's one of the things I think. I want to add also a bit of fashion to what about shoes. I don't like Doc Martens shoes. I mean, it's my own opinion, because on some people it's look great, but on me and with my opinion I just don't like it. This is too big and this is a different style than I have, and yeah, I don't like it. I don't really understand why people fancy them a lot, but yeah, that's it. Okay, I'm going to be killed again, but I hate ASMR. Sorry, I just don't understand why. I mean, I understand that you can like it. My sister listens it before sleeping, so I totally understand that it can be relaxing, but for me it's like so uncomfortable. Like when I click on a video of ASMR, I just feel so bad. I can't listen, I can't watch it at all. This is like a strange feeling now. I don't understand that fancy thing about ASMR. Sorry. So back to the food aspects. Sparkling water. I just don't like it at all. I don't get the point. The taste is just so strange to me, because there is sparkling, so bubbles. I love soda, like Coca, Fanta, anything like that with sugar. But in sparkling water, I feel like the bubble are a bit they have a taste which is a bit salt, and I just don't like it. I prefer normal water. I'm going to be killed again, but I don't like iPhone at all, or Mac. I don't like it. I mean, this is so expensive. Like, how people can just buy or spend that much for a phone or a computer? I just don't get it. I know there is a lot of things that is really good about Apple. I don't know how you say it, pronounce it in English. Apple, because it's an apple. I know there is so much apps which is really nice, from an iPhone or a Mac. This is so good for a picture. I totally get it. But the rest of that, the people are like, I'm just playing iPhone, nothing else. Wow, you have a Huawei? What the hell? I don't like Android. This is so creepy. No, no way. Stop. So my battery just ran out. So I hope the background is kind of the same. So I don't like minced beef. I mean, beef in general. I eat that too much, and now I can't eat it at all. I just don't like it. If you tell me that let's go to the restaurant or to have just beef, or today we're going to have like a burger with minced beef, I can't. The only thing that I can eat is chicken. Honestly, the best. But beef, oh my god, not for me. So now, I need to understand what happened with that. Why people just fancy that taste and that thing? Ginger. Come on guys, I just don't understand. I tried like a ginger drink and a ginger in some food. I just don't like the taste. This is just so strange, and no. Also, I don't understand this neon pattern trend. You know, like the yellow one, I think there is yellow, pink, green, orange, neon. I don't know how to pronounce that in English, but in French we say neon, so that's neon. I don't like it. I just feel this is so weird and not that pretty. But on some people that is good, but not for me. Don't like it. Sorry guys, but I don't like milk. I don't like milk at all. I mean, cow's milk. This made me want to throw up. I'm sorry, but I can't. But I love vegetable milk, like rice milk or soya or almond, everything like that. Beautiful for my mouth. But cow's milk, come on guys, this is not healthy at all, and this is disgusting. I don't really like fake eyelashes. I don't really understand what the point. I mean, on some makeup artists or fashion model or really famous YouTubers, maybe yes. But you know, when you just meet people in the street, or I don't know, in club, what the point to put that on you? This is fake, this is not natural. And when you're going to wake up next to your boyfriend or to your future boyfriend, your eyelashes are not going to be there. So yeah, don't really get that point. Also, I don't know if a lot of people like it or not, but I'm sure like English people love it. And I tried when I was an au pair in Oxford. I tried Marmite and I just don't like it at all. This is so strange. I mean, what the hell? It's just a strange consistency. I don't know, is that right? Consistency? That, you know, like strange. And the taste is, oh my god, not common at all and strange. Pretty strange. Also, I can add that I don't like olive. I'm the one, when we eat pizza, to put the olive away from my pizza because I don't like it. And I'm always like, who wants my olive? Who wants that? A lot of people love this and I just don't like. So, just to finish that video, I want to say I don't like skiing. I don't like skiing at all. That makes me so scared because I don't feel really comfortable when it's not stable under my feet. I feel I'm gonna fall down and I feel with with the skiing I feel I can't stop and I don't feel comfortable at all. So that's why I don't like it. I love having a good walk in the mountain during summer or winter when there is snow, but skiing makes me feel like I am a baby again and I'm gonna fall and die and I'm scared of it. So yes, that was the video. I hope you like it. I hope it was kind of interesting for you to know what I don't like that people do. Let me know in the comment if you have any other unpopular opinion about you. Maybe people don't like coca, or maybe people don't like pasta or French food like that. Let me know. I will be really curious to see that. So if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more content from me and my little French face. And I will see you very soon in another video. Bye!